Shay and I are back again. We're staying after hours a little bit to get some work done. We've shown you the Varus engineering stuff and we're gonna try and get some of that on today. But the car's been put back to stock power-wise just for some testing. And we thought this would be a good opportunity to throw on some of the power stuff that we have. Here we have our Wagner Tuning Catted Downpipe, which we're gonna put back on. I personally prefer the catted one. I think it sounds better on the stock exhaust. That's just my personal preference. We do have a catless CTS one as well. But what we're gonna do today is this.
And that's a full exhaust.
If you ever ask somebody to do a $200 exhaust, this is what you get.
That's it right there.
So this is the ETS Turn-Down, which really is designed for drag racing and weight savings. We're gonna go drag racing. We're gonna bring our quick jack system, lift the car up, drop the exhaust off, save somewhere around 50 pounds, and we'll use this at the track. But today, we thought, why not throw this on and see what this sounds like? So hopefully there's some flame, we'll see. We've done videos on how to install this, but anyways, you wanna make sure you swap over the gasket, the V-band-ish clamp. O2 sensors need to go in, and that's pretty much it. So. All right, so I'm under the car. We're tossing the downpipe. I think it's almost on. Next step, we're gonna remove the catback exhaust. So it is 8 bolts for this brace over here, and I think 4 exhaust hangers, and we'll drop the whole system down, we'll put the turn down on, and then we're gonna fire it up and hopefully not kill ourselves.
All right, so it's time to replace the stock charge pipe with this beautiful coated charge pipe from CTS Turbo. Should sit something like this in the car, something like that when it's all said and done. And it'll look pretty good. Of course, it got that nice CTS branding on top too, so get this out and we'll show you what that looks like.
First thing, we're gonna remove the engine cover here. Next is the turbo inlet. I call it the mustache clip. I resemble a mustache or something else. Got another mustache clip. Okay. Don't lose the secondary mustache clip. You mustache? Where'd you get them cheeks from?
Ah! Man, these are unbelievable! Like,
This is revolutionary. It's threaded, pre-threaded.
So we've installed everything except the intake. Unfortunately, doesn't fit. Again, pre-production part. We might not have mentioned that before, but CTS already has one that fits this car. We just got it before they finished it. So send that back. We'll get intake because we definitely want to hear that turbo. Charge pipe fits amazing. Looks a lot better than the ugly black plastic piece, which is over behind the car. And last piece, Zion over here beside me is going to throw on the cover. And now it's a Toyota.
Just like that. Oh my gosh, it's red! The cat, I can see the cat inside. And we're just about done, for the night at least. And we have determined that the ETS Turn-Down does work. It did get really, really hot, so hot that we actually even saw the cat turn a beautiful glowing red, but no flames. So we might have to revisit that because flames are cool. So we might come back to that. Still got a ton of parts to throw in the car, so we'll continue on. Just a few. It is a couple days later and we just finished installing the ETS Turn-Down exhaust. We gotta take this thing out for a rip and see what it really sounds like. Stay tuned until next time.